Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and here enter the code, which is *#06#. And thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Tap on OK, and now another code, which is *#426##. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. And after tapping on the three dots icon here, we can show advanced view, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code, which is *#225###. And here we are in the calendar info, so here we will have all the events gathered in one place. Some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. However, you will be able to see everything if you've got your Google account added to this device, and you will be able to check the categories of this specific event. Another code is *#6776#, and here we've got the information about the software version, so we can check the exact model, for example, the Android version, master date, version, etc. And another code which we can check is *#800#. And here we are in the feedback menu, so basically if you've got some problems with your device, like the touch screen is not working, or you experience overheating or something like that, you can report that kind of problem. Here we've got the system performance, for example. Here tap on overheating, you've got different categories, so for example when using the camera, and here you've got the instructions, what you have to do, all the steps. Simply tap on start, come back to the section where the problem occurs, and then come back here and tap on done. So this is how to report some problems. I highly recommend to check that. Here you've got also my feedback, so you can check your reported issues. All right, another code is *#888#, and here you can check the PCB number. You can also scan this QR code and check some further details about this device. And I believe another code, *#6776#. No, I've already shown you that one. Yeah, yes, so you can check the model, master date, etc. So basically this is it. This is how to use secret codes in this device. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.